Let's meet the Honor 400 Pro 5G Edition, my brand new mid-range, well upper mid-range flagship phone. We have the Honor 400 Pro 5G logo on this side of the box. We have some charger information over here as well, isn't that exciting? Plus we have a bunch of energy regulation stuff that I don't care about, and some text in gold. This would have been a much nicer package had it not had to be slapped with all kinds of UK regulatory stuff. Just to confirm, this is the Honor Pro 400 with 512 gigabytes of space. It annoys me that it calls it ROM, because that's supposed to be read-only memory, and you can definitely access and write to it. It also comes with 512 gigs of RAM, and this is the Lunar Grey edition. It's even dual SIM. Fastening the box securely are these two white tabs over here, which cannot be gently lifted no matter how you wish you could. But one pair of wire clippers soon sorts that out. Just grab the lid and we lift it up, and it doesn't have that smooth Apple feel, but then I don't care about that either. At the top, we're presented with the mobile phone itself, covered in papery goodness. It has this little tab that allows you to lift it out nice and easily, and there we go, there's our device. And there we have it, our first look at the Honor Pro, unwrapped from all its plastic. At the bottom of the package, we have a SIM ejection tool and what looks like to be a charging lead. And there we have it, that's the entire content of the box. A bit sad how it used to be. Thank you, Apple, for that trend. Anyway, I'm sure we'll be very grateful we got all this when in a year's time Apple decides we don't even need a charging cable or a SIM ejection tool anymore. The cable itself is your standard 1 meter affair with a little bit of an orange accent, if you like that kind of thing. Which I suppose brings us to the Honor itself in its space grey body. You can see the aforementioned UK regulatory stuff inscribed onto the body, as is now apparently required by law for some reason. Rather spoils the finish, but never mind. We have a patterned affair along the actual camera bump. As you can see here, it's not just a plain texture, but it does have some texture to it. The back is glass, the side is aluminium, and the front is glass as well. We have a rather larger island than I'm used to, which apparently has some of the iPhone features where you can tap it and grow it and all that kind of stuff. On the back, we have our 3 camera lenses, one 200 megapixel, one 50 megapixel, and one 12 megapixel, along with dual tone flashes. On the side, we have a volume up and down and a power button. We have a USB Type-C, we have a SIM card tray, and some rather large speaker grills, which I like. On the top, we have an IR emitter. We have some more speaker grills and a microphone. And along this side we have basically nothing, just smoothness. And there we go, that's the unboxing of the Pro 400. I will give it a go, I will play with it and find out exactly what it's all about and come back with a review of whether or not I enjoy using the device. Please like, subscribe and comment. There we go, there's the call to actions. Apparently I've got to put in YouTube videos now.